Hoy, ga-vlog ba si Salvi? Dapat supportahan ni mo.
Galing, babes.
Please subscribe agad.
Please like and comment in the comment section below and share this video. Wow! First time ako
Hi guys, it's just few hours until my birthday.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting.
No, there's nothing new. And it's raining. Look, see? The skies are crying. Okay. I really hate adulting, guys, because before I am actually waiting until 12 so that I can celebrate my birthday. But right now, I am waiting for the jeep. Kay ma-duty pa ko. So, it really feels like tae.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times.
Tapos wala pa jeep, tapos malate pa ko. Okay, perfect.
Hi everyone! I think it's 2 minutes before 12. So, 2 minutes na lang birthday ko na. But here I am, my duty. Actually, diri ko sa may hagdan. Wow! It's mainit here. So, it's really my comfort zone. Because I'm lamigin, right? At super lamig. Dito sa Station Free, it's not nice. It's not nice for my baga na super sensitive. Okay, so I need to go back now. Bye-bye. Hi again, as you can see, kakaon ko. So of course, it is my lunch time. Makita nyo man siguro nga ako lang is last. So, nagapanghina kita ko. And guys, imagine, it's my birthday and I don't have anyone. I don't have someone that is sitting beside me or kahit sino man lang dyan. Kasi, nagsakto kita na sa oras nga iba-iba mong lunch. Like, imagine, ako lang yung islaya. So, sino kong ka-istorya? Ano pulos kong baba? Oh my gosh. Okay, makaon lang ako. As you can see, guys. Oh my God. Tulala lang ko. Ag-side nyo kung ano kong ginaman tao. Dan, ang traffic light. Kita nyo ang numberan. Kita ko rin gina-zoom na kung dahil masabay ko it bilang. Diba daw, abnolon ko. Ay, maano ko. Wala man gan ikot kay istorya. Okay.
Hi everyone, out na, yeah. I'm so sorry for my voice, pero I am actually sick, so I think I really need to go home. So, I'm going home. I'm going home, guys, on my birthday. So, of course, I'll upload this video after my birthday, so you won't guess it. Bye!
Hi! Sa Ceres Log ko. So, lapit naman ko mag-ulit. Actually, hindi madali. Mga sobra 6 hours pa. But at least, diba, I'm on the way. I'm on the way. Ay, tulog ako. Tulog ka, ang itsura ay tawo. Or tawo pa bala ko itsura. Ano ko daw tawo pamaningan. Basta wala ko tulog lang ako taon. Nagkaon mo ko ni last 2 tang lansya mo ang alas 2 or last 3 ito to. Pero mahid lang kita na ang pinaka na namin kita ako magbiyahe. Ang view. Look at his creations, guys. Super green. Ang gusto na ko ng ano itsura. Like, ang super green kita na bala rin mo. Like, daw, healthy kita na ang mga leaves, ang mga puno. Bago, tugangan pag hindi mo ito ang clear sky blue nga color. Very sky blue kita na nga namin kita na sa mata. So, of course, imbes nga matulog ko, katulalaan ko ito medyo kiti. Pero syempre, need ko magtulog. Bye-bye. Guys, ayun lang kita naghinatawag nga adulting. Mantawa ako lang kabakal ito kong birthday cake. Like, dati po, excited ako sa every pink nga birthday cake. Dayan nga dyan sa Goldilocks, wala cake nga pink. Ay, ano lang ba? Okay, let's go with the Black Forest na lang. Tapos, kita ko man iritado lungan ni Pai, wala rin pink, diba? Pero sige, wala lang ako sa Black Forest. Gusto mo na ako ng chocolate. Okay, lapit lamang kit kami. Compared sa kaina nga ako lagit isla na very alone sa Ceres nga dyan may kibahan nung ko. And I'm with my kuring and it's Jimwell. So, I don't know saan na rin patalawa ka kita na imoron. Babuti mo't ginawa ka. Like, ang hambalan ako sana is hambalan na ako kung lapit lamang kami sa Welcome to Buruanga. Hay ma video gani ko. Siyempre, welcome home. Like, Hello everyone! I'm Malati here at Buruanga, so let's go. Babo, pati mo't ginatuto. Ay, medyo layo pa talaga ang welcome to Buruanga. Kaya napat ako naga-video. Pero okay lang, worth it man mo. Kasi manta mo pala luman guys, ang view nung nakikita na ako. Siyempre makita nyo man ron. Very green luman, tas very sky blue. Super pretty. O yun na ang welcome to Buruanga. Ano taran, mabot nakatambak. Ay, si Manong. Ayo, hello Manong. I don't know you. Hello, Buruanga na us. Oh my gosh. I'm here na guys. I'm here na everyone. Hala, wala lang ko naka-video after man ako nag-upload. Kasi bago tawo na huya ko. Guys, you know me naman sa mga nakakilala sa concert. Ginin nyo kung gaano ako kamahiyain, di ba? So that's why wala lang ko naka-video.
Are you ready?
First time ako kanta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Summer. Happy birthday to you.
One, two, three.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! O sige, dali, may puntanay.
Tawin lang ka mga, ano ko, mga bisita.
Kita ba, bisita?
Be.
Dali, mo na ito. Ay, sus.
Hi guys! So at the moment, are you okay? Here's my nanay. I love you. Wow.
Paano na kayo paliwanag ko di ang gaoy ngayon?
Pangako ko man ako sa sarili nga, hindi lang kumatin ng birthday ni Salve.
Yung pangako din.
Okay lang. Okay lang. This will be the last.
Maraya iba? Hindi ako kasi.
Ang birthday na kung doon niya itong ang bagugin. May kudo alam,
Ano
Bi.
niya?
Pagkado.
Bagong napaso guro nga dyan. Ang doon ako doon.
Tapos ubra pa niya ka. May mango na lang ginaiian ni Lula na. Ay, mabanus, Ben. Ay, mabanus, Ben.
Ay, grabe na gano'n.
Uy, na ano ng cellphone ni Jim Will.
Wow.
Walang hiya, wala ka, Ben.
Concert.
Tingin mo natutuwa siya. Ang kaloy lang mas Jim Will. Ay.
Hindi.
Na-tripod kita ko alim mo vlog niya.
Patawa-tawa lang yan, pero hindi mo alam na sasaktan na yan.
Ay.
Bebs.
Bebs, kumusta mo na yun?
27045.
Okay lang. Hindi mo naman doon.
Ano yang wait?
Ay, ang danggidran. Aman ang des.
Ako niya. Okay.
Bombastic.
Ala, di magbalik. Dito magbalik.
Birthday ni Salvi doon.
Mimar, lamig ang pagkaon. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and the best in life. I wish you good health and more blessings come to you and to your family. Happy New Year. Happy birthday in honor of Patron Saint Salvacion. Salvacion de Poblacion de Buruanga.
Ani mo? Gani, babes.
Please subscribe again. Please like and comment in the comment section below and share this video. Wow. Please subscribe to this channel and welcome drinks. Hello guys, please subscribe to this channel and share to your family and loved ones, including to the traveling around the world. They may reach their destination safe and sound, and the presence or the moment where their families and loved ones. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. And I want to greet the birthday in the world, that happy birthday to all of you, and to each and every one, that you may reach the destination, prosperity and generosity to the community, that no matter what happened, that we are all human. Honesty is the best policy.
Birthday mo ba ngayon? Happy birthday ah. Happy birthday talaga.
Ang ina.